It's funny though. I really want to talk only if someone is there.
Acting, singing, whatever.
I don't think I should talk. Dude, this is embarrassing. I've never done this before. Ah, there's someone.
This is one.
That's Mohit. Okay then.
Let's say
I never do this, and I will never do this ever in my life. But I really saw this video of this girl. What was her name? You know? Of this
from your
girl.
experience, or let's say from somebody else's experience that you know of, what is your message for them, for youngsters who want to get into in the entertainment industry? What should be their first step, or what should they do in a long term in order to make themselves comfortable in the space, and how to get and enter the industry? I have a beautiful answer.
Mohit, Corona is the same everywhere now. You know, we are always inside the house most of the time. Just go for our groceries. That's it. We are all inside. I miss you though. Hello, Purnima. Hello, everyone who's watching. Hello, Ponky. This is really embarrassing. There's more people watching. I'm actually becoming more cautious now. Okay, so this video is about a girl from Assam who apparently thinks she knows everything, and she has given her verdict on what she thinks, how people should work, what people should do, and in what age people should start earning. So the video I just showed you is this girl. I really don't understand, first of all, why people would take interview of people who nobody knows of, or who doesn't have any idea of what they are saying. For example, this girl right here will now talk about modeling, and will talk about everything that she thinks is required to be a model, and how to start her career, and how to all should start our careers basically. I'm gonna speak in Assamese also, because most of my people are from Assam, and this girl especially is from Assam. So I'd like to introduce myself. I am a model. I am Tridisha, and last 8 বছৰৰ পৰা মই মডেলিং কৰি আছোঁ. বহুতে ভাল লাগে যে আজিকালি অসমৰ পৰা ইমান ছোৱালী ওলাই গৈছে, আৰু they are doing great in this field, you know, and all of them are young, by the way. মই this girl's name I really forgot. One second. Sumi Bora. I think she has passed some comments on social media about what she thinks people should do. Here are my remarks on what I did and what I think she is doing. What I did is I started modeling when I was 17, and even now I am doing modeling. So I think I am a better person to say about modeling than her, because I've never seen her in this industry and I don't know of her. তাই ক'লে যে modeling বোলে অকল 18, she really hates people, she really hates, you know, artists who are 18 plus or 18 or 18 plus, and just youngsters, you know, who do modeling or any other stuff like acting or any other thing, you know, at this age. According to her, one should first go and take a degree at whatever age, and then come back and then say, oh, I really forgot, you know, I wanted to be a cricketer, I did my degree, I'm coming back, now I will start with my, you know, classes to be a cricketer. So this is very embarrassing, as you know, I'm not here to talk about anything else but for modeling, because I have been modeling since a very long time. I have started at the age, as I said, 17. It is really hurting me listening to someone like her, you know, out of the blue, coming, doing a video, and some random guy taking her interview, and then she has the audacity to say about modeling. Modeling is one of the best fields that, you know, I think one can be. বাচন ধুব মই নাযাওঁ কাৰণ মোৰ বাচন ধোৱা ইজ নট মাই টেলেণ্ট, বাট আই থিংক মডেলিং ইজ, ইউ ন'। আৰু বাচন ধুই চাগে মই ইমানখিনি পইচা কমাব নোৱাৰোঁ যদি মই এজ এ মডেল চাগে কমাব পাৰিছোঁ। আৰু আই লুক আফটাৰ মাই হোল ফেমিলি being a model, and I have been doing it since a very long time now. I'm very proud to be a model. So she doesn't really have to be upset about people not doing their studies and, you know, going ahead and choosing their careers. I would like to tell Sumi Bora, Sumi, actually তুমি জানা কি কৰিছা তোমাৰ ভিডিঅ'টোৰ থ্ৰুৰে? You are just killing many hopes. You are just killing many talents. All you are doing is hurting people's emotions. সব মানুহ পইচাৰ কাৰণে মডেল হ'ব নাহে, আৰু সব মানুহৰ পইচাটোৱে চবতছে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট বস্তু নহয়। কিন্তু যদি তুমি মডেল হৈ সিমানটো ইনকাম কৰিব পাৰা আৰু তোমাৰ ওচৰত যদি সিমানটো পটেনচিয়েল আছে, তেন্তে তুমি বাচন ধুবলগীয়া নহয় মডেলিং কৰিলে। আৰু you can be really successful in life, you know, without doing anything else. Modeling it in itself is a career, guys. I don't know if most of you understand that. I mean, my husband is like really irritating. Baby, don't do this. So modeling itself, don't do it. Can you not do it, please? Modeling is a career, and one can really earn good with that. পইচা কমি হ'লে মানুহ মডেলিং নকৰে, and here I am saying it again. And I was really hurt when she said it, but now she has said sorry about it and stuff, so I feel okay about it. But I think one should really think before talking, and should not hurt people like this. Our choreographer নাই বুলি কৰিছে ধেমালি নেকি? আৰু তাই বোলে প্ৰথম কোৰিঅ'গ্ৰাফাৰ। আগৰ মুভিবিলাক, অসমীয়া মুভিবিলাক, টু বি ভেৰি অনেষ্ট, আজিকালি মুভিতকৈ বহুত ভাল আছিলে, আৰু নাচ চাচবিলাকো ভাল আছিলে, কোৰিঅ'গ্ৰাফিও ভাল আছিলে, চব বস্তু ভাল আছিলে। মোৰ ফেমিলিও, মাহঁতৰ ছাইডৰ আধাখিনি মানুহ মুভি আছামিজ ফিল্ম ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিতে আছে, আৰু মই বহুত প্ৰাউড কৰোঁ তাহাঁতক লৈ। কিন্তু কেতিয়াও নিজে এক্টৰ হ'ব বিচৰা নাই, কাৰণ নোৱাৰোঁ প্ৰথম কথা। কিন্তু যোনটো পাৰিম সেইটোৱে ক'ম, মানে সেইটোহে কৰিব মন। আৰু যি ধৰণে ভগৱানে হাইট দিছে কাৰণে আৰু কৰিব পাৰিছোঁ কাৰণে এজ এ মডেল কাম কৰি আছোঁ। বাচন ধুবলগীয়া হ'লেও বাচন ধুম, চুমি বৰা, কিন্তু আগতে যোনটো নিজে কৰি ভাল পাওঁ আগতে সেইটো কৰি ল'ম, তাৰপিছত লাগে যি কৰিবলগীয়া হয় চব কৰিম। তলৰ পৰা ওপৰলৈ উঠি গৈছোঁ, ওপৰৰ পৰা তললৈ আহিবলৈ মোৰ কোনো লাজ নাই, বা কাৰো কোনো লাজ নাই, কিন্তু সেইবুলি আৰু ঘৰত বহি বাচন ধুই নাথাকোঁ। কিন্তু মডেলিং কৰি চাগে তোমাৰ নিচিনা মই বাচন ধোৱা মানুহ ঘৰত ৰাখিব পাৰিম। I think that was rude, but it's okay, you were rude too, you know. So yeah, মোকো বহুত মানুহে ফেচবুক বা ইনষ্টাগ্ৰামত মেছেজ কৰি থাকে যে তাহাঁতি মডেল হ'ব বিচাৰে, আৰু হাউ টু ষ্টাৰ্ট এণ্ড হাউ টু গ' এবাউট ইট। মই যিমান পাৰোঁ চবকে হেল্প কৰোঁ, যিমান পাৰোঁ চবৰ লগতে কথা পাতিব চেষ্টা কৰোঁ, ইউ ন'। কাৰণ মোৰ কথা হৈছে আই শুড নট ইগন'ৰ দেম, because they are the youngsters. আৰু তাহাঁতক ইগন'ৰ কৰিলে, you know, we actually won't be able to bring more talents out. আৰু আজিকালিৰ দিনত there are lot of good models who have started at very early age and are just doing all campaigns. অসমীয়া বহুত ডাঙৰ ফটোগ্ৰাফাৰো আছে, অসমীয়া বহুত ভাল কোৰিঅ'গ্ৰাফাৰ্ছো মই চিনি পাওঁ। চ' এভৰিৱান ইজ দেয়াৰ, বহুত ভাল ডিজাইনাৰ্ছো আছে। I don't know where she has come from, আৰু তাইৰ মতে কি, I do not know. And Sumi Bora production is not having a photographer, as you said, you know, you have a big production, you have a production team, you have a photographer, you have a video guy, editor. That's not production, my love, you know. Production is a big team, is a big team that includes everything. It is not one photographer, one video guy, and you're making fun of yourself, for God's sake. Just stop it. If you do not have any idea about things, then do not say it. 18 বছৰত মডেলিং নকৰে কোনটো বয়সত কৰিবনো মডেলিং? I mean, I know আজিকালি যিকোনো বয়সত মডেলিং কৰিব পাৰে, বাট 18 বয়সত কি মডেলিং কৰিব নোৱাৰে নেকি? মানে মই কৰিছিলোঁ, মানে মই ভুল, মানে মই ডিগ্ৰী আগতে কৰিব লাগিছিলে, কিন্তু মই ডিগ্ৰীও কৰিছোঁ। এতিয়া কি কৰিম? ডিগ্ৰী চিগ্ৰী কৰাৰ পিছত আকৌ উভতি আহিব লাগিছিলে নি মোৰ? আকৌ তাৰপিছত মডেলিং ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিব লাগিছিলে? No, we are not confused. We exactly know what to do. We do not need a backup. People who are good in what they do, they do not need a backup. We do not need a degree to back us up, in case যদি কেতিয়াবা কাম নাপাওঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে বেলেগ এটা কাম কৰিবৰ কাৰণে ডিগ্ৰী মই বিচাৰোঁ। মানে the way she is talking is so annoying. Her expressions, তাই ইমান ঠাট্টা কৰিছে মানুহ, and this is like next level. Who is she, first of all, and who is the guy taking interview? Who are they? It is really sad to see people like this. আৰু মানুহে ভুল বুজে সেইটো কাৰণে। তাইক কৈছে আমাৰ বোলে লাইনটো ইমান চিধা নহয়, বহুত বেয়া মানুহ আছে, বহুত বেলেগ ধৰণৰ মানুহ আছে, বহুত মানে এনেকুৱা নহয়। আই থিংক আমাৰ লাইনটো একদম চিধা। ইটছ এ স্মল ফেমিলি, ইটছ এ স্মল কমিউনিটি হু ৱৰ্কছ টুগেডাৰ, হেল্প ইচ আদাৰ টু ডু থিংছ টু গেট ৱেৰ দে আৰ। We all grow together. Our payments may be different, but we all grow together and we are in it together, So ইয়াত কোনো বেয়া মানুহ নাই। মই আজিলৈকে কোনো বেয়া মানুহ লগ পাই পোৱা নাই। মোৰ নিজৰ যদি কেতিয়াবা ছোৱালী হয়, মই ছোৱালীজনীকো ক'ম মডেলিং কৰিব, যদি তাই কৰিব পাৰে, আৰু যদি নোৱাৰে নাই, তাই বেলেগ কিবা কৰিব, তাইৰ মৰ্জি। তাই ডিগ্ৰী কৰে নে তাই পঢ়ে নে তাই খেলিব বিচাৰে বা তাই যিয়ে কৰিব বিচাৰে তাইৰ কথা। মানে চুমি বৰাৰ এডভাইচ নালাগে, আৰু তাই যিধৰণে মানে টিলিকি মাৰি মাৰি কৈছে, কেতিয়াবা যদি কোনোবাই কি কৰে ইণ্টাৰভিউ লয় তেতিয়া গম পাই যাব। চুমি বৰাৰ মগজ ইমান মানুহৰ দৰকাৰ নাই, জানানে? যদি নিজৰ কামটো যদি ভালকৈ কৰিব জানে। আৰু কথা পতা কমিউনিকেশ্যন ইজ নট ৰিকুৱায়াৰ্ড। ধোনী ইণ্ডিয়াৰ কেপ্টেইন হোৱাৰ আগলৈকে কমিউনিকেশ্যন ইমান ভালকৈ নাজানে, বাট হি ইজ হোৱাট হি ইজ ফৰ এ ৰিজন। হি হেজ টেলেণ্ট, not just him. I can mention a lot of people except for you. But tell me about yourself. What did you do? Why do you think you have reached to a point where you can actually look down at people? It's really sad, and I think one should not kill this little kids' dreams. They grow up seeing us, they grow up seeing people who are doing good in their industry, and they want to be them. So I would request Tom, Dick and Harry মানে interview লৈ থাকাতকে, they are very reputed people from our industry, because everyone is free right now, so you can take their interviews as well. আৰু যদি আপোনালোকে নাজানে whoever the interviewers are, we can also tell you, good people, good models. She cannot talk a shit about modeling because she doesn't know a shit about modeling. Who is she? So I request her not to ever mention anything about modeling without knowing anything about modeling or any other field for that matter. তাই নাচে, তাই নাচাৰ বিষয়ে তাই যি ক'ব মন আছে তাই কৈ থাকক, তাই নিজৰ বিষয়ে। কিন্তু লোকক ঠাট্টা কৰি, লোকক তল দেখুৱাই নিজে কিমান আগবাঢ়ি গৈছে বা নিজে কিমান ডাঙৰ সেইটো মানুহে জানিব দৰকাৰ নাই। আৰু তাইৰ মগজটোনো কিমান আছে আমি সেইটোও গম পাই গ'লোঁ ইণ্টাৰভিউটোৰ লগে লগে। কোনোবাই যদি ইণ্টাৰভিউ লয় তাৰপিছত চবে গম পাই যাব কাৰ মগজ কিমান আছে, তুমি কি লেভেলৰ মানুহ। কিন্তু ছেইম ছোৱালীজনীয়ে নেক্সট ডে মানুহৰ আগত ভিক্ষা খুজি ক্ষমা খুজিছে। আই মিন ইমানটো এটলিষ্ট কমন চেন্স তুমি কথা পতাৰ আগতে থাকিব লাগে, যিহেতু তোমালে পিপল লুক আপ টু ইউ এণ্ড ইউ আৰ ছামৱান। চ' আই থিংক মাইকী মানুহ হৈ বাকীবিলাক মাইকী মানুহৰ কথা এনেকৈ কথা ক'লে মানে ভাল নালাগে। আৰু আমি ইটোৱে এইটোক আগবঢ়াই লৈ যোৱাটোৱে আই থিংক ইজ এভৰিথিং। যদি কাৰোবাক হেল্প কৰিব নোৱাৰা বা যদি তুমি আগবাঢ়ি যাবলৈ তোমাৰ একেবাৰে মন নাই বা লোকক আগবঢ়াই লগত নিবলৈ যদি তোমাৰ মন নাই, এটলিষ্ট ডু নট ডিমিন দেম, ডু নট লাফ এট দেম। অ'কে, ওৱান মোৰ থিং এগেইন আই উড লাইক টু ৰিপিট, কোনো পইচাৰ কাৰণে চব মানুহ কাম কৰিবলৈ ওলাই নাযায়। হবিজো মানুহৰ থাকে, মানুহ কিছুমান বস্তুত ভাল বুলি নিজেও জানে, কিছুমান বস্তুত লোকেও এনকাৰেজ কৰে, আৰু কিছুমান টেলেণ্ট থাকে which you cannot kill. No one can, for that matter. I can see many people are here. I didn't even know I had so many people in my Facebook friend list because I recently deleted a lot of them, especially guys. So if you are here, you are important. So yeah, I don't want to talk about her anymore. Uh, but yeah, I think we all are safe. We all are fine. My family is all good. Um, Someone sent her video to me yesterday and asked me to have a look and say something about it. I didn't want to. I didn't want it to because yeah, I mean I'm free, but still I didn't want to talk bad about, no, I didn't want it to really get involved about this in this thing, but I cannot even neglect because anyone comes and starts off with what modeling really is. Beauty pageant is modeling, beauty pageant is not modeling. These two things are very different. Beauty pageant, য'ত it's a competition. Modeling is not a competition. Modeling koribo karne you need a certain amount of height, and you need other stuff which you can Google for sure. Beauty pageant karne beleg bostu dorkar hoy. You need brain, you have to talk, you have to, sometimes fake, you have to do things, but not for modeling. So she's nobody to say anything about modeling, especially if you are some ex-model or a supermodel. It would have been a complete different thing, a complete different argument here. Yeah, so she's, I think, hurt everyone's feeling and mine included. But definitely I'm not letting her say anything about modeling because I have worked as a model for a very long time, and I think spotless, and working really hard even now to be where I am right now, or you can just say to be where I want to be in future. Yeah, if you can't help someone, don't help, but don't demean or don't laugh at them. বাচন ধুবলৈ এটলিষ্ট ক'ব লাগে 18 বছৰত কোনটো চাকৰি কৰিব কৈছা তুমি, কোনটো জবলৈ যাব কৈছা 18 বছৰত? Go do some job. What job are you talking about? কি বনিব পাৰিনো 18 বছৰত? আকৌ জব, আকৌ লগতে আকৌ মানে বাচনো চাফা কৰিব কৈছে. Go clean utensils. Like really, utensils নহয়, utensils. I mean, really, enough. You guys have to stop. And this guys who take their interview, for God's sake, do not, you are equally at fault, by the way, because you are taking these people who know nothing and showing it to people, because you have a lot of followers, so you have to be very particular and very choosy about whom to take to speak for everyone, because these guys can really manipulate people, and which may not be always nice for everyone. Yeah, I think that's it. That's it for now. It's really embarrassing. I really don't want to do this. I never wanted to do this, but it is important, it seems. Okay, thank you. I love you, Mohit. I can see you. Hello everyone. It's my first time. I really doesn't know how to do it. I'm not a pro in this, so okay, thank you. Bye.